Grabe. 5 million pesos dagdag sa napakaraming parangal na natanggap na ng ating atleta, ating minamahal na atleta. Now, in addition, DigiPlus will also be presenting Carlos the Special Gold Standard Award in recognition of his Kay Kaloy, again, this is the official renewal of Carlos's contract as Arena Plus's brand ambassador. Congratulations! We are so proud to celebrate this continued partnership and of course look forward to even greater achievements together. Well, ito pa. Meron pa tayong another special announcement. Get this, everybody. In celebration of this partnership, your DigiPlus family also pledges commitment to fostering the next generation of Olympic hopefuls by launching Arena Plus Cares. Now, ano ba yung Arena Plus Cares? Arena Plus Cares is an initiative dedicated to supporting future aspiring Olympic.
Palagi ko po yung pinapakinggan. Ito po, si Kuya Idol Loons, Abante, tsaka Tao Lang. Sobrang na-inspire niya po ako at na-hype po ako pag nagtitraining po. Salamat po.